Okay, hello. So I was feeling a bit off, so I was thinking, let's just film a quick video how I'm putting my makeup, just to feel better in general. So this is my lazy makeup tutorial. Also, as you can see, my cheeks look so bad because, I don't know, we have a lot of wind going on recently and it doesn't do my skin any good. Or maybe it's allergy, honestly, like because it's spraying going on. Could be allergy as well, but I'm not gonna cover it. Just letting you know, I'm not gonna cover it. I don't care. I love my rosy, ill-looking cheeks. We can start. Also, if you're gonna hear some weird noises, then it's probably my mirror. What are we gonna start with? The hair for today is also lazy because I'm going to karaoke night after. I don't have a lot of energy to go there. I'm just gonna visit, I'm gonna check. Yeah, and except for it, don't have anything to do today. I mean, I do, but I'm procrastinating as always. You know how it's going. Okay, I also had, okay, let me tell you everything and then we can start putting makeup on. Or maybe, shall we proceed and then like find our way? I already put like some primer, my moisturizer, everything. So let's start with actually, this is fixing spray, but I use it just to like give my skin a bit more life, because because why not? Wait a second, actually. Does it have alcohol inside? Oh, fucking hell, it has alcohol inside. Okay, I usually don't buy products with alcohol inside, but I should have figured out because it literally says matte fix. Obviously, it's gonna be with a fucking alcohol. Can I swear? How is it on YouTube now? I haven't been on YouTube for such a long time. Well, anyway, obviously it's with a freaking alcohol. Now let's just put some just like lip balm on to get some additional moisture out of those lips. Also, it's not gonna look clean girl aesthetic. If you didn't get it yet by the background, clean girl aesthetic is not here. If you're looking for clean girl aesthetic, turn the video off. Okay, you know what? Today I want to use my Revolution blush. It's actually very old, but I like it kind of, even though I don't use it that often. Shall I do like a very beauty blogger shit? Revolution, color, rosy cheeks. Is it the color? This is weird if it's a color. I'm just gonna put like a little bit here to balance out, so like this rosy situation on my face doesn't look like one patch, so it like kind of blends together. I'm just gonna put like some here and on the other side a little bit on the nose, because like why not, and a little bit on the lid and on the chin. Basically everywhere. Taking random brush from AliExpress that I bought when I was like in the middle school in 2016. Still using it, because no waste, people, no waste. It's still working for me. I love it. I hope the mic is doing okay, actually, because I have a necklace. I hope it doesn't make any weird sounds there. Well, anyway, also not my problem. So we blend it together so it looks more or less consistent. Just about fine. It's okay. It doesn't have to be perfect though. Nobody's perfect. Then we're gonna put some eyebrows on because I feel like I don't have eyebrows right now, which I usually don't have this feeling, but as I said, I'm a bit depressed and I guess it gives me like a bit of body issues, like appearance issues. Well, anyway, we're gonna make it better now. Okay. What the fuck is wrong with my pencil? What I usually do is that I draw a very ugly lines and then I blend it with brow gel. If you know, you know. This actually is for like bangs, to style your bangs, to make it like a sleek something. But I don't care. I use it as a brow gel because it works really good and my eyebrows are really like... they just don't want to sit, They don't want to sit. I guess it's hair gel, just like in this version of mascara tube. We just like basically do this, blend out a little bit the eyebrows, try to style them and put them on a place. Why am I like, I want to sing, You see, I'm already like I want to sing. My mood is getting better because I'm drawing my eyebrows. I want to make a disclaimer that you don't need makeup and I don't need makeup to feel better. But sometimes it works like this. You should feel good without it, and with it, getting or becoming more beautiful shouldn't be the main purpose of makeup. That's what I want to say. And we can proceed with the makeup now. Yeah, now we have eyebrows. I don't know, like, I feel like I want a little bit of powder on a T-zone, you know, like, why not? We have time. And I don't want to write my paper, that's why we're doing this video, actually. Okay, I have e.l.f. powder, very old, you see already, like, I'm using my frugal ass. How is it like, I feel like it's a trend now on TikTok, like being frugal or like showing your frugal lifestyle. I mean, we'll see how it's gonna go. But I think like I'm so broke that I'm gonna become frugal. I mean, right now, if you're gonna look at my clothes and my like wardrobe and stuff, you will see that there is like no space whatsoever, like at all. Me and frugal aesthetic, let's say, we don't go together. But I mean, who knows? In the future, maybe yes. Now let's do a little bit of contour sculpturing, you know, because like it's gonna be dark and I wanna look a little bit snatched, as people say it in TikTok. I swear, like, I'm such a TikTok kid. I'm 22, by the way, but I'm a TikTok kid. That all my vocabulary is from TikTok. I don't know, like, I'm studying in a uni for social and cultural studies. I study politics, and only when I joined the uni, when I entered the uni, I knew all those like theories and stuff. Because before, I swear to God, I was on TikTok. It's actually something to be ashamed of. But yeah, I mean, now I consider myself educated person, more or less. Okay, and just like that, we are drawing new cheekbones, because those don't exist, you know, on my face. This is gonna be such ADHD video, honestly, like the topic. I'm gonna change the topic every second. Put it in the background, like you don't have to watch it. Watch it like during cooking, during cleaning. Think about it as a podcast at this point, because there is no information. I don't know why you would like to watch this video for like a purpose of watching this video. Don't do it. Now that we have like a little bit of contour going on, sculpturing, I'm actually thinking about my nose now, because I've never done my nose, like never done nose contouring. But now I low-key feel, like I feel something new. I want to feel something new. That's a dangerous shit, actually. I'm gonna take like also the brush from the same kit from AliExpress from 2016. But the smaller one. Just gonna take my sculptor and just gonna go like this. I guess they do it like this in YouTube and stuff. And then a little bit on the side. Do I look sculptured? Sculptured? What? Sculptured? What's the word for it? Let me know in the comments. Then we can also actually prolong it here so it looks more or less consistent. And then we do like this thingy. Then I also want to do it here. And I like to do it like in a circle. So do I look like Ariana Grande? Didn't see me coming, YouTube. Well, here I am. Okay, now I look like I'm fully in dirt. Wow, I feel like this sculpture is so, how do you say it? Too cold on my skin. Okay, let's clean it up a bit. I didn't expect this effect. I love deadliness on my face, you know, I usually wear it like that. I feel the vibe for makeup today, I don't know, like I loved makeup so much when I was a teenager, and recently like I don't really put on that much of a makeup, because why? Why would I? Yeah, I mean, not why would I, but like, you know, I still love it, but I just don't have time for it because I'm working and I'm studying and I have so much things to do. And here I am, recording video for YouTube. Let's add some highlighter. This is a Revolution. This is so old that it doesn't have anymore like the printing. But I think it's a highlighter reloaded, make an impact. That's what it says here. So I have no idea which shade is it. It's just like pinkish, golden-ish highlighter, and I wanna overuse it today. You know what I mean? I don't use it, so I wanna put a lot. Oh, do you see? Do you see this highlighter? Honestly, I feel like they see it on a spaceship right now, on a space station. Oh my god, I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. It's time to finish, I guess, my makeup. I want to have like, how do you say it? Like a cuter anime look. That's what I'm going for today, do you see? Well, now I look like an anime fan. But I mean, it's not bad. I love it. I love my anime fans. Okay, you know what? Let's draw something. Actually, like, if I'm in the mood, let's take maximum from it. This is just like some brow pomade, you know, it was also very popular in 2000. Oh my god, actually, I still follow the trends from 2016 Instagram shit. Oh my god, I need to go towards like this clean girl aesthetic, like Hailey Bieber, Selena Gomez, this, you know, very sleek, very natural makeup. No, I love my, how do you call it, Tumblr era. I love my Tumblr. We'll see what's gonna come out of it. Not bad, you know. Now the hardest part is to replicate basically on the other eye. It's gonna be different. They're gonna be not even close. I know it's already not close. No. Beige? I mean, not bad actually. This one looks thicker than the other one. And you know what I say to that? Let's make another one also thicker. Do I want black mascara or pink mascara? Because actually, like, pink could be so fun here, but also too much fun, you know? We need to stop at some point. I already look like Cleopatra if she was an anime. I don't know. I don't know why, but I get this vibe. Here's my brown mascara. This is Eveline. Oh, did you see I dropped it? No, you didn't. Eveline Cosmetics. A regular mascara. Honestly, not good, not bad. Like, nothing to say about this mascara. What do I want to do now? It feels actually pretty. I feel pretty. It looks cute. I want to be cute today. So, let's do the lips, I guess. Shall I do like this Korean, Japanese style, like this Asian style lips? You know, it was also trending on TikTok like 5 years ago. Yeah, I'm very late with trends. Or shall I do like, you know, a full lip kit? I'm gonna go with lip kit actually. Where are all my rosy lip balms and lip liners? This is the question. I'm gonna use one from Revolution. This is the worst one in the world. It's called Fake the Filler. Fake the Filler. And when I took it, I was like, okay, I bought it. Fake the filler, who cares? I thought it's like, you know, fake the filler because you can draw new lips, you know? No, you know why it's fake the filler? Because it's with fucking plumping effect. Oh, sorry. It's with a plumping effect and it makes your lips so... I need to throw it away actually, or give it to some, because this is crazy. It's not like giving you this plumping effect as it should, I guess. It's just like dries your lips and doesn't give any effect. That's it. Really like useless. They should have done like regular lip contour, come on. Like the beauty industry right now is like late stage capitalism, you know? And it's like, oh my god, they make everything. Can you make just regular lip contour, like lip liner? Please, can you do like a regular, normal lip liner with a good shade, like nude or a little bit more than nude, you know? Just like everyday shade that doesn't cost me 50 euro or dollars. The only time I shut up is when I put my lipsticks on. Not even in sleep, you know? I talk in sleep, which was a surprise for me as well, because I don't hear. But apparently I do. So, you see, the only way to shut me up to buy me a lipstick. You know, it looks already cute. I might be going just for lip gloss and that's it. For lip gloss, I have REM Beauty in a shade of Cherry Cola. I spent so much money on it. It doesn't worth it, honestly. Not that good. I don't like the dispenser, like the packaging. The packaging is cute, like, you know, I find it pretty cute. I love silver. I love this vibe, you know. Like this, how do you say it? The stopper, you know, doesn't get a lot of product. So I have to like put the stick back in like for 30 times to get some product on my lips. And I don't have the biggest lips in the world, you know. So, you know, I can imagine it could be problematic for people with the bigger lips. REM Beauty, please change it. Me and my 5 followers don't like it. But the shade, oh my god. All the criticizing about this lip gloss, forget about it. The shade is so good. Like, I recommend REM Beauty Cherry Cola. Perfect. Okay, so I guess that's it. That's my makeup. You can see a little bit closer. I'm very shiny, even though I put the powder on, but somehow like it's a natural glow, you know? It's a natural. Anyway, thank you if you watched it till the end. Thank you if you watched it not in the background. You are my hero, honestly. Yeah, and see you in the next video, I guess. Have fun, have a good meal, have productive day, whatever you're doing now. Okay, one more closer look on my makeup. 10 seconds of silence in this video. Okay, see you. Bye bye.